Welcome back to Auto Pulse. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 Yanmar SA221, a compact utility tractor that packs a punch despite its small size. Whether you're a homeowner with acreage, a small farm operator, or just someone who needs a reliable machine for various tasks, this little powerhouse is worth considering. The Yanmar SA221 is designed with versatility in mind. It comes with a 21.5 horsepower Yanmar 3-cylinder diesel engine, known for its fuel efficiency and reliability. This engine provides enough power to handle tasks like mowing, tilling, and hauling without consuming excessive fuel. One of the standout features of this model is its hydrostatic transmission, which makes operation smooth and easy. With simple forward and reverse pedals, even first-time tractor owners will find it user-friendly. This tractor is compact but doesn't compromise on capability. With a weight of around 1,500 pounds, it's easy to transport but still heavy enough to provide stability on uneven terrain. The 4WD system ensures that you get maximum traction, whether you're working on soft soil, gravel, or wet grass. The ground clearance is well balanced, allowing it to move over obstacles without much trouble, making it ideal for landscaping and property maintenance. One of the major highlights of the SA221 is its compatibility with a wide range of attachments. The front-end loader is a popular choice, offering a lift capacity of over 800 pounds, perfect for moving dirt, mulch, or gravel. The mid-mount mower deck turns this tractor into a powerful lawn-cutting machine, while the rear 3-point hitch allows for the attachment of tillers, box blades, and other implements. This flexibility makes it a great choice for anyone looking to get multiple jobs done with a single machine. Comfort and ease of use are also strong points for the SA221. The open operator station is designed with ergonomics in mind, featuring a comfortable seat, intuitive controls, and excellent visibility. The side-by-side pedal configuration allows for easy speed adjustments without having to fumble with complicated gear shifts. The power steering further enhances maneuverability, making it a breeze to navigate tight spaces or make precise turns. Another big advantage of Yanmar tractors is their durability. The SA221 is built with high-quality materials and is engineered to last. The drivetrain and components are designed for longevity, ensuring that with proper maintenance, this tractor will serve you reliably for years. Yanmar also offers a strong warranty, giving you peace of mind when making your investment. Maintenance is straightforward, with easily accessible service points. Checking the engine oil, hydraulic fluid, and air filters is simple, allowing owners to perform routine maintenance without hassle. The fuel tank is conveniently placed, and the overall design of the tractor makes servicing quick and efficient. When it comes to performance, the SA221 delivers solid results for its class. The engine runs smoothly with minimal noise, and the hydraulic system provides responsive control over attachments. Whether you're grading a driveway, hauling firewood, or prepping a garden, this tractor handles the job efficiently. The PTO engagement is seamless, allowing you to power rotary tillers or other implements with ease. For those looking at pricing, the Yanmar SA221 is competitively positioned in the market. It offers a great balance of power, features, and reliability at a price point that makes sense for small property owners. When compared to similar models from other brands, it often stands out for its engine efficiency and build quality. If you're in the market for a compact tractor that's powerful, versatile, and built to last, the 2025 Yanmar SA221 is definitely worth considering. Whether you're tackling heavy-duty chores or just maintaining your land, this tractor is designed to get the job done without breaking a sweat. That's all for today's review. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Yanmar SA221 and if you'd like to see it in action. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from Auto Pulse. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.